Hey guys, what's up? I am Sovan and today I am back again with another video review. In this video review, I am going to review wireless cloud router from D-Link and its model number is DIR-600L. These wireless routers support standard like 802.11n up to 150 Mbps, 802.11g, 802.11b, 802.3 and 802.3u. Now let's check out the packaging in which this router comes in. On the front side of the packaging we can see D-Link logo, cloud router written and the model number as well as app support for App Store and Android market. On the top side of the packaging it shows that it comes with My D-Link cloud services. On the right side of the packaging it shows the D-Link logo and some of its features. On the left side of the packaging along with the D-Link logo we can see the minimum requirements to make this router up and running and the package contents. On the back side of the packaging we can see the number of connectivity options that this router have. Also it shows how to connect the router. Now inside the packaging what we get is the wireless router itself. Along with that a power adapter with a proprietary connection, one Cat5 Ethernet cable to connect it with your computer and get it running out of the box. And the last thing that you get inside the packaging are some documentation related to the warranty and safety information, D-Link GPL code statement and the quick installation guide, which is quite thick because it is in different various languages. Now talking about the specifications, this router have wireless frequency range of 2.4 GHz to 2.4835 GHz. This router supports My D-Link app for iOS and Android. This router supports push notification functionality. Its firmware can be upgraded. It has got user control, access control, real-time browsing records, WDS plus AP, IP MAC binding, traffic control, UPnP support. That means you get quite a number of advanced features that you can control or set up according to your own need. Now after removing the plastic cover, let's take a closer look at the router unit itself. On the top of the router unit, we can see the power indicator, network indicator, Wi-Fi indicator as well as 4 LAN ports. On the front side of the unit there is nothing but only some ventilation ports to keep the router cool. On the left side again we can see some more ventilations along with a seal. If this seal is broken the warranty is void. On the right side of the unit, there are even more ventilations for the cooling of the router and a WPS button, which means Wi-Fi protected setup. On the back side of the router, we can see all the ports and the connectivity options that this router provides us. First we see a reset button, then we can see the power connection goes there, then the internet and then the 4 LAN port. And last on the extreme left side of the router we can see the external antenna which is 5 dBi, and this antenna can be angled anywhere you prefer it to be and it is very sturdy. This is the only antenna in this Wi-Fi router and it is also fixed into the router itself. It is not removable. So you cannot upgrade your antenna to get better Wi-Fi signal. On the bottom side of the wireless router, it has 4 rubber stands to keep the Wi-Fi in its position. Here also the Wi-Fi router's MAC address, IP address, etc. are written. So I am hiding this along with the D-Link logo and the model number, as you can see. This router also comes with advanced firewall features such as network address translation, stateful packet inspection, MAC address filtering, URL filtering, etc. Here is how the indicators will look when you power on the device. Only the internet and LAN indicators will blink, which means the internet is working and the packages are being sent to the computer and as well as received by the router. As I have told you earlier, on the right side of the wireless router, it has got a WPS button and it will glow like this with a blue LED when you press it. Now I am going to show you some close-up looks of this router. As you guys go through the close-up looks of this particular router, I am going to tell you the pros and cons of this router. Starting with the pros, the first pro would be the price of this router at which it sells is pretty low, which makes this router a budget-friendly router. The second pro would be its functionality and its features, because it provides all the basic functionalities and features that anyone would require in any budget-friendly router. The third pro of this Wi-Fi router would be its signal strength. Considering its price point and its non-detachable antenna, it provides quite good signal. Another pro of this router would be that it does not heat at all due to all the ventilations that are on the 3 sides of the router. The next pro of this router would be My D-Link app support for iOS and Android smartphone. Using this app you can do multiple things, such as you can know which are the devices that are connected to the Wi-Fi router. You can see the real-time browsing records of the computer or smartphones that are connected to the router. Another pro about this router is that it comes with easy setup wizard, which will help you to connect to the internet very easily. Regarding the build quality of this router, it is quite good. It is not rough and tough use like router, but it is made quite well for daily uses. Now coming to the cons of this router, I can tell you that the power adapter cord that comes with this router is short. And the second con that I would like to mention is that this particular router does not come with detachable antenna, so you cannot upgrade your antenna for better Wi-Fi signal strength. That means you are limited to this fixed antenna that is provided with the unit only. Thanks for watching my video and subscribe for more videos like this.